What's going on YouTube? This is Matt, just Matt1 from America. Anyways, I have on me right now, looking at you, is a iPod Touch 4G, and my power button, that right there, does not work. See? Still on. Still on. Fuck you. Still on. Volume works. Home works, but power button, yeah, still nothing. So what I learned is a trick that you can like do from the inside, and as you can see, it's kind of worn. It's like very cracked, and it's been through some things. So I might get a new iPod Touch soon. So here goes. To like reset the whole thing without fucking shit up, to just go to settings. Yeah, it's very cracked, as you can see. General, then go to reset, then reset network settings, and it's like a reboot for the whole thing. Watch as it reboots. Yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, long nails, I know. You'll get over it. See, and there it is. Do 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 do. It's rebooting. Do 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 do. And it's still coming up, or booting up, as I could say. Do 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 do. Come on, people, come on. Do 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 do. And there you have it. Same shit. So if you wanna reboot your iPod Touch 4G, just yeah, and your power button don't work, just go to settings, general, and resets, then reset network settings. So there you go, and you're welcome. All right, bye.